me see what you're talking about.
You say that big house is there? He worked in America for a long time. You say a beautiful house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That doesn't look American. Not
It's
sure
not
what that.
American because he's Filipino. He just work in America.
Right. Because there's big bucks there. Big bucks. But it costs big bucks for day-to-day living. It's like sickening. She's got tattoos all over her legs. That's gross. When I see a woman like that.
What?
When a woman is wearing shorts and she's got tattoos all over her legs, above and below her knee, that looks trashy.
Look like addict.
Maybe.
I don't like the body.
Yeah, it says something.
I hate that.
It says something.
Especially the woman. Eh.
I don't know when I started this video, but we are in Cardona
Yeah.
proper, I guess.
Koala Bee. You should go. We go there. Oh, it's nice there.
You're
honey.
driving, honey, babes.
Koala Bee is nice there.
Whatever, we'll keep going. Cardona BR. Tita Fafita.
Adam's chicken.
I want General Cow's chicken. General Xiao.
G drugstore. Oh, you have a drugstore already.
I have lots of stuff. I have Kuya J.
Hey, G restaurant.
Alright, this video is long.
This
I don't have anything in Cardona.
Cardona.
All
This
I
is
have is
Cardona.
the Manila East Road. That's all I have.
This is the town of Cardona, guys.
Yep, there's some hoops playing right here.
Yeah, this is the court
And a shot.
and
I
the
like how they
church
paint
and
those.
the municipal of Cardona.
We've been here before. Once, but I wasn't really doing much video.
Okay.
You got to stop. He's got.
Go, 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 go.
Mira, yun someone. Yun someone. People still wearing masks. I don't get it. Apparently they didn't get the memo either.